Guys, gals, I got a little something special for you today. I really do. Today, the 70 Mach 1 is going to get the treatment. Yeah, buddy. So let's show you what we got here. So we got is Shine Arbor right here. Yeah, buddy. By Fortify. Now this is a 3-in-1 wash. All right, waterless, wipe and wax, baby. Oh yeah. So we're gonna get this on here. We're gonna check out it on the Mach 1 and see how this stuff really works. And I will give you my honest opinion. Trust me. This is before I put it on there that it ain't sliding off the car, because the car actually has no wax or nothing on it right now. Oh yeah, nothing. So we're gonna check this out and see how good this stuff really is. Oh yeah. So let's get to work on it. You see they gave me these nice little microfiber towels. They gave me the bottle with the squirter. So let's go ahead and start squirting some of this on here. Yeah, we'll get this squirted on nice. We'll just do this front square right here and see how this works out good. Oh yeah, so we'll put it on kind of wet. See how this works out. Set that right there. Oh yeah, that's what I says, man. Shine armor, baby, shine armor. So it's what they want you to do. They want you to get your microfiber cloth, and they want you to get it on here. They want you to squirt down the towel here first. And you want to start wiping it on. There you go, see that? You go right here. Oh yeah, baby. If anything, it smells good. Huh, yeah. It smells real good. Smells like grape pop. Shoot, man, I might want to drink this stuff. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. No, I'm not going to drink it. We'll turn this around. Put that inside out there. And we'll wipe it down here a little bit more. Got some overspray over there. It's actually pretty nice. I mean, this car has a pretty good shine on it. We'll set that over there and we'll pull this other one out. And we'll buff this baby up good. Yeah, get her nice and buff. Yep. Get in there good. So if I'm rubbing this right here, it's nice and smooth. It really is. If I go up here, you can feel it kind of stopping the rag. You know what I'm saying? So it's like real nice and smooth until I get to the spot where I didn't put it on and it starts grabbing the rag. And it's the same thing over here, which I got some overspray over there, so that helps that a little bit. Shoot, yeah, baby. Let me see what happens. Oh, you see that? See that? It didn't do that before. No, it didn't. It stayed on that hood. Buddy, I'm going to tell you something. This stuff is fabulous. This is the first time I ever used it. I'm telling you, you know, when they first got a hold of me, I figured I'd check it out, check and see, and I'm glad I did. I might have found me a little something new to use, you know what I mean? Oh yeah. So guys, I'm going to tell you something. It's worth a try. Check it out yourself. You know what I mean? Get out there and check this thing out, man. This stuff out. It's Armor Shine. That's it right there. And it really works amazing. So I'm going to turn this back around. I'm going to show you the hood of the car where I did it and where I didn't do it. And you will notice the difference. Yeah, buddy. So let's turn this around. This is the side that I did, okay? And like I said, this car has a pretty good shine on it. But look at the difference between this side, and we'll walk over here, to this side. You see what I'm saying? This has got a shine to it, but it's not. It's still a little hazy. So here and here. Big difference, guys. Big difference. Oh yeah, I can see right there in the front of the hood. It's a big difference. Wow, I'm really amazed with this stuff. This is my father right here. He'll be 91 years old in April. Dad, how long have I had this car? How old was I when you gave me this car?
I think he was 12 years old, wasn't he?
I was 12 years old. Man, 1978, I would have turned 13 in October that year. So I've had this car since I was 12 years old. So I'm going to tell you something, Shine Armor. I'm putting this stuff on my baby, and I like it. So I appreciate you having me trying it out. So I end up doing the whole hood. The whole hood's done, everything, and I'm telling you, guys, he did an amazing job. It really did. I mean, it really did. Thumbs up. Thank you for having me check out your product, and I will use it again. And I'm going to tell my friends to use it too, because I got a lot of friends outside and inside of YouTube. All right, guys, you all are awesome. Thanks for watching. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me, and I tell them you're awesome. Have a great rest of your day. it.